TRX, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our last analysis when the price was within this range, we were looking for buy, but when the price come to this top, I mentioned anyone is having entry above this, they should take out the trade within the first or second hours, because when the price exactly was within this range, I mentioned anyone having entry above this, they should take out the trade because we can expect the price to drop, and this is what we get. Okay, now we want to see what's the next. And as we can see here is the price is correcting. Now we want to see whether this one can drop again and continue similar to what we have here. At least we want to see whether this is the start of the up move or this one is a small correction for one more drop. Okay, by the way, first of all, we move to forward chart. As you can see, based on forward chart, we have been within this move. And when the price was here, exactly as I mentioned, I'm in my last video, the price can drop. Now we want to see whether this one can continue and break this low before we get the buy, or the price can reverse from here. Similar to other charts again, if we get any buy within this range, as long as the price come to this level, we should be aware about this flat. That means this one turn to a bigger correction. By the way, any buy we get, we buy, and also if the sell, we want to take any sell, the target will be this low. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it. Okay, if we move to 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup actually right now. Okay, as I mentioned, still we can have a possibility this one to turn to a correction for one more drop. If we get the drop, it depends whether the break this low or not. Okay, but if this one continue and break this low, can give us a better trade setup. But anyway, if we want to get the buy, we need at least a sharp move with the flag. Having entry, we cannot trade having entry above this. Okay, the only times we can have entry above this if the price drop and what we want reverse sharply. But right now we cannot call it a trade setup. Okay, how about if the price reverse from here? Okay, and that's mean here is the start of the up move. The only times you can look for buy, we get the sharp move. So that means this move continue, break this one, give a flag. Then we can look for buy, and when the price come to this top, we see if there is no continuation, we take it out. But if this one continues similar to what we have here and similar to what I draw here, can give us a better confirmation to look for buy. Even we don't need to wait the price to break this low. By the way, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we follow the chart, we see what we get from here, whether this one can turn to a correction for one more down. That's maybe we can look for sell, or it can give us a buy trade and buy setup. By the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.